We're here at MS22 for our second session.
MS22 was our pilot program school. We wanted to be able to track a class of children and see if we could demonstrate that long-term participation in a program like this would really have an impact on not only their schooling, but also their careers for the future.
I love the opportunity that I have to get to do this a second year because it helps me further my understanding on the engineering experience. Before last year, I didn't know much about engineering. I was pretty new to it, and this was a nice experience for me.
I was surprised it was coming back because I thought last year was going to be the first and last time.
They've been exposed to our engineering design process from our first session, and now they get to apply those same skills to our second curriculum. So it's even more in-depth and it's even more insightful for them.
We are now at the stage where each group is going to make the model shipping container home. You are going to be insulating it. Of course, insulation is not free. But first, you have to put your engineering design process to work.
This particular unit was exploration in insulation in the built environment and also in our modeled homes.
Our goal is to have the children really envision themselves as STEAM professionals, as architects, as engineers.
I get to learn something that I wasn't into before.
It teaches you new ways to be creative. We get to meet new people and we get to make new things, and it helps me a lot in science class and math class too.
We are going to take a temperature under the lamp, okay? So when you are ready, whoever has the thermometer, whoever's holding the box, stand up. What is the reading? So we were going to be testing your models in front of everyone.
I'll say anybody.
To see how well they're insulated.
When I'm in class, I normally don't get to do these kind of things. We're normally writing down words on paper.
I like that we did hands-on projects.
My favorite thing about the club is working together. We get to do it as a group, not just a single person.
All of that is a really good stepping stone. Once you've come out of it, you've understood the concepts of what an engineer does. And lo and behold, you've become one yourself.
MS22 kids really are our children. I mean, we have spent so much time with them. You're able to see the development in the kids, and you're able to build on what they've learned.
There is a lot of passion in our agency about the work that is happening here. That passion is because of you, the young engineers. If we look at this particular project of insulation, we're already talking about the goal in reducing the carbon emissions. We look forward to hearing you over the years what great ideas you come up with as you tackle other problems.
Once they've seen what it entails to overcome a design challenge, an engineering challenge, I think it's really important for them to have that with them on another task. They can always remember this experience and say, hey, I'm able to get through this. I took an engineering course.